Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Decatur County, southern Bartholomew County, Jackson County, northwestern Jennings County, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Seymour, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Jonesville around 7:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Azalia around 7:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Country Squire Lakes around 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Elizabethtown around 7:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Grammar and Columbus. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 41 and 66. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Bartholomew, Decatur, Jackson, and Jennings.